What's up guys, we're here, it's the Morons Hacks and we're here in the mountain, and this is my Vitara. It is pretty new, as you see, it's from the shop. Everything is well welded. There are tail lights, of course, some LPG. No guys, this is not the new Vitara, this is the old Vitara, and it has some interesting stuff here. Look at this. Although the window will fall down if this is not here. We have some side kick here, like this. We have some nice tires, but not now, when they were new. And this is the original Vitara, but in very worse condition. And they give it to tourists to go up in the mountain, where is the house which we will stay in. Here you see there are no seats actually. I am not sure that this car is very reliable right now. As you can see, here used to be the fuel tank, but it's so rust now. Yes, it's actually completely rusty. You can see here some bad rust. These Japanese Vitaras, they just are gone from the rust in the time. And this is the new Vitara. Yes, it's already here, but in order not to make the condition like in this Vitara, we need these old Vitaras to go to the house because it's off-roady. And I will show you brand Vitara in better condition, which probably I hope will be our drive car. It's 2-liter V6 engine and it looks really better. It's a 4-door. You can see how has the evolution gone. You can see this big tire which doesn't have much left, but however it looks much more off-roady than the newer one, which is more, as you can see, for the city and for the highway. And this one is locked, not like the other one. And look at the interior, looks pretty nice. Here some slow gears, and it's a real, here some diff walks. I think it's a real off-roader. As you can see here, Vitara V6 Delight. We'll see how delightful it is. And here is from the back. It has a spare tire on the back. And so now we are waiting for a guy who will come and probably give us the keys for that one. We will pick up all the luggage from our newer one and put it here and go off-road in the mountain. Well, you see POV driving of this on some off-roady road. So guys, let's go. Okay guys, as you see, Suzuki is running now. It's on 4L, it's on low gears, 4x4, and let's go to the house. Second gear I put, it's on LPG currently. We don't need so much power here. We have low gear, so we have plenty of response on second, third gear. Let's go. Fourth gear. Second gear. Let's go. Here the terrain is harder. We have some rocks. Here we choose that road, the right one. The sun is going down, so we're hurried to the house before the wild animals get out. Don't worry, normal noises. Let's go. Power. And here we have some turn. Let's go. Easy, easy. First gear. Okay. Second gear, and here, easy. Whoa, jump, jump. It has a good clearance, so you really rarely care about the terrain. It's good for the blood flow, all these jumpings. So it's a healthy driving. Whoa! It's just enjoying to drive it here. If you have such car, it's good to drive it here. This is the most rewarding place of roads. Right turn. Ooh, do you see that beautiful stones over there at the top of the mountain? How they call them? These stones.
Komisch.
Kachikaya in Turkish. But in Bulgarian, I forgot.
Koznik.
Koznik, yeah. It's the name of our house village where we are going. More stones here. Okay, let's go. Power. Jump, jump. It's totally different feeling going with that car up and with some other SUV for the city, like the new Vitara. It's so much safer than with this one. And I think we are almost there. Here is our Susan. How this Susan is here? We don't know that actually. Okay, let's go. Here it starts a little bit more downhill. Whoa. Do you see that house? I think it's that one. Okay, stop. Whoa. First gear here, because it's bad road. Whoa, and the car just stays. Look at it, how downhill is it, and it just stays, no problem. It's like it has foots and it goes slowly down with one foot, with the other foot. Okay, and we reach the place. Look at it. Green grass, one house, and jacuzzi there. Okay, I will return to that previous mode and turn it off. Okay guys, let's we see that house now. This is how a real off-roader look like when you get it somewhere. Look at the angle of the tire. Kinda stop licking my mount. Okay, look at it. It just literally turn its angle like this. There is no tire left. Okay, let's continue with the house. And here is the house. It's completely alone in the whole forest, so it's very beautiful. Yeah, it's only us and this big house with actually 3 bedrooms on the top here and 1 bedroom on the first floor, plus a place for a kitchen and a nice jacuzzi here, which is heated. Really interesting. You can see it's full with water already. And oops guys, I just broke some part of this house, but I'll fix it. No, it didn't work actually. However, fix it like this. Okay, and interesting here, the system is that you actually put fire here with some wood, and here is the pipe for the black smoke, and here is the water, so you get a jacuzzi in the nature. What's up, Kyra? You are getting jacuzzi, right? The house has also a system, solar system for the water. And has another small house there. I'll show it to you too. This interesting thing that there is only this road you saw I was driving, and nothing else except that house. And do you see these nice cliffs there? There is actually a way to them, so we'll go for a walk there. And Suzuki, yeah. Okay, this is the house. I'll show you now the small house. Look at that beautiful view. in this mountain. Here is the house in front. It has a terrace there, and this is the other bedroom, which has really big windows. Okay, let's speed up this. Oh, there is some nice stuff here. And let me show you that nice room. Yeah, look at it. It's a beautiful small house for the summer when you are too much people, and you can get some of them sleeping there. Really beautiful house in the middle of nowhere. You're completely alone here. So beautiful house in the middle of nowhere. Just you and the nature. It's so nice. So they give, in the price of the rent, they give the house, and also the Vitara is included as a car to go here. Let me also show you here. This stuff is where your stomach get full. Here what big tables. This one is very important, guys. Put some meat and you'll be happy. And here's some standard kitchen stuff. Okay, let me show you inside the house. And we go on the ground floor. You can see there is a fireplace, nice chairs, nice bed with this nice cover, which is typical Bulgarian, and a big bathroom. You can see here a very nice bathroom. Yes, and these covers too. Okay, here you fire up this one and it goes to the second floor too. Let's go to second floor. There are steps here for the second floor. Okay, as I told you, there are some bathrooms here. This is the other bedroom. Pretty cool too. Do you know who is this? Stoichkov. Very famous Bulgarian. Yeah, nice view from the second floor, and think of a breakfast here. Yeah, it will be cool, right? And Vitara there. Let's go to the other rooms I want to show you. And this is the second room. It's not something fancy, but has a nice window again. And this is the one with the bigger windows I like most. It's very sunny and it's really cool to be there. Okay guys, as you see, a very nice house in the middle of nothing with the Vitara. We've reached there. And you saw POV of Vitara, and at the same time I showed you this nice beautiful house in Bulgaria in the mountains. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for us for our other videos, driving and doing some other stuff. Bye, stay healthy guys.